Hello everyone, this is Fawad. Welcome to Future on Cloud. This is the continuity of Trellix video series. So in this video, I am going to start the deployment of Trellix application control, which is Solidcore. So again, you have to visit the Trellix site in order to download this application control software. So first of all, you need to log in on Trellix website. Then on the right side, just select endpoint security. So it will filter out the security products. Then click on application control. And then you have to download EPU management extension, which is for the orchestrator. Then you have to download the Trellix application control, the latest version, whatever is available on the site. As of now, it is 8459. And then you have to download the license. So once you have all these three things with you, we are good to go with the deployment. So let's jump to our EPU management console. Let me put it full screen mode. So I have already downloaded the extension, license file, the, the package. So currently, as you can see in the extensions, Solid Core is not installed or application control. So let me install this extension. Solid Core is basically protect your system for unauthorized application to execute. Whatever is whitelisted application you can install on, or only those application can run. Other than those, nobody can install any application until unless you have to modify their modes. There are enable mode, disable mode, observe mode. So Solid Core has been installed now, but again, you need to install the package, otherwise you cannot install the client task on Gate. These are basically the mode which I was talking about. These are the modes. Here we can move over system, but in order to install the package, you should have to install the package first. So let Solid Core, you cannot see anything. So once you install the package down, then only option will be visible. Let's go back to software repository, software catalog, air gapped environment. So we do it, check in the package manually. So far, application control or solid core is not installed. Again, in EPU, you can change the mode of solid core from the EPU console, or there is another option from the client side. Through the CLI, you can change the modes. I will show you the both options coming video. So far, we are just focusing installation of solid core. So once it is completed, we will wind up this session, and next session we will go for installation and configuration of solid core. So you can see solid core has been installed now. Now if you wanted to install via product, look at the option. There it is, solid core. Let's create a package now. So Similarly, you can create an installation package. Here you can see SolidCore, and here we have saved the installation. By default, option is install, so you can change to remove as well. But so far, we are just going for the installation, so we can do that. If you need to remove it, any package, so you just need to create a new package, the name of uninstallation, then the application name, and select that application, and action should be removed. That way you can remove it from the menu. So this package is created now. So similarly, we have created other packages for our these three servers. So far solid core is not there. So let's create a client task for solid core. Trellix agent, product deployment, solid core install package. In option. So once this package is installed on all the machines, then we can go ahead by the thing. So again, same thing, we need to create either send a wake up call. All these will go on each machine by one and check for the latest updates. Then this package will start the installation. So far, I'm just pushing it from the server side, as we have already seen in previous videos where you can install it when. So far, we are pushing from right side. The solid core installation package has been sent to the server 2. Similarly, will be client machine as well with the monitors. Solid core install. So far, not installed. The coding is going on. By default, once you install the solid core, if in observe mode, it just analyze whatever is running inside the virtual machine or physical server wherever you install this package. So later on, once the observe mode it, it detect the inventory and observe mode is completed, then you can move it to enable mode. Let's give it a couple of minutes for installation. Solid core. And the important thing is once installation is completed, you have to provide the license as well. Otherwise, it will install as active mode. In active mode, I'll show you in a while. So let's get the installation first. I'm going to pause this video for a while. Once the installation is completed, I'll resume it. All right, so solid core installation has been finished now. Client machine. Well, yeah, finished for all machines. If the status normally, you need to reboot the machine, then only you can. status here. So far it is not visible. So let me reboot the machine. Pause it. Start. Console. Application one and two as well. It is not recommended to save the password, but however, it is a test environment, so that is why I have already saved the password in the remote desktop. I need to type the password again. And all right, so here you can see Trellix Solidifier with no license. The reason is the license key applied. So let's take the license key, go to the server settings, Solid as we have application control. So license key is not yet installed. So let me install the license key. Then we will enable Solidcore client machine to make it operational. Just going to pause the video in order to install then I'll be back. All right, so I have applied the license key. So let's enable the task. Let me enable on and verify the status now. The application rules, all these settings we will configure it in our next video. So far, we just need to enable the client task so that product will be enabled on. So so far, I'm just hit a task. We need to disable this memory protection and SAU feature. So I think let's keep it for the next video because there are so many things which we have to deploy on the side. So let's plan it for the next video where I will give you a detail uh, about how you can create a task and how forward these things to the client side. Again, the task is simple again as the installation package has been deployed. So similarly, you can enable client task or Solid core and enable this feature here. But again, if you want, we can do it here, but there are some things which we have to enable on the client machine side. So if we go in that detail, the video will be prolonged. So let's keep it for the next video. So as of now, we just push this agent on the client machine and it is called in the disable mode and no license key is installed. So once push the status of the solid core on the client machine, then it will be activated. All right, so stay tuned, keep watching. See you in a